going to invest more in the manufacturing facility in days to come. I've also been informed, more importantly, that this facility is the first owned facility of Jamp Pharma Group outside of Canada and designed to cater. It is designed to cater not only to the Canadian market but also other regulated markets as well. It's a matter of great pride that this new facility of Hyderabad will contribute to about 25% of Jamp's total product pipeline in its phase 1 itself, and it is one of the key drivers of the company's growth plans. I sincerely congratulate Mr. Louis Pailon, the President and CEO, Sukhat Juneja, and the entire team of Jamp Pharma Corporation on this occasion, and do wish that the Center of Excellence grows more and more rapidly in Hyderabad. But I was also told that since Alpesh was from Gujarat, he had set up the corporate headquarters in Gujarat in Ahmedabad. Alpesh ji, abhi to Modi ji bhi chhod ke chale gaye Gujarat. वो भी